Hi guys, welcome to Vlogs Asia by Dawn. As you can see now, I am not outdoors. I'm actually here in my room because I'm planning to do a little bit of a makeover. I noticed that when the weather is so bad, I couldn't go out and I need to find a place where I can do my vlog indoors. So I decided to beautify my room a little bit. So my room is really plain. I am planning to just repaint it a little bit, repaint the skirting on the wall. I don't know if you call it skirting, but yes, this skirting over here, I'm going to change the color, replace it with brighter furniture, and also change the curtains as well. So let's see how it's going to turn out. See, my room is in a mess right now, and because I need to do repaint. So I'm going to start with a makeover now. So let's see how it's going to turn out. Hi guys! So the room is about 95% complete. Well, the reason why I say it's 95% because I'm gonna add a few more frames, maybe add some more items in this room. I'm happy with how it turned out, so I can't wait for you guys to see the room. Okay guys, so here's my room. It's the tiny room. So it's so tiny that it will probably take me 3 hours to take you on my room tour. Okay, so this is the little corner of my room. See, I have this, what do you call this, accessory holder. I actually really like it. I think I had it for more than 10 years now. I'm not a person who wears a lot of jewelry and accessories, but I like to have them here. I wear them sometimes when I wear like dresses or during special occasion. Some of these necklaces are mine. Some of them are actually my mom's. Some of them are my sister's. But I just like to keep them here because it just adds a little bit more color to the room. This holder is actually a gift from my friend, but I don't remember who gave it to me. But if they're watching this, they'll probably be messaging me now and letting me know that they've bought this for me. Behind this is where you could put like earrings and other accessories, the little pockets, but I don't use them because I put some of mine here at the other little box that I have at my dresser table. So this is my accessory holder. And this is my little dresser here. Let me show you. It can actually be closed like this, but I just like to leave it open here and then put on my other facial stuff. I mean, I don't really have a lot of skincare products, as you can see. I'm such a minimalist. I like to have bits and pieces of everything. This is my favorite, Rose and Vanilla. It's my pillow mist. from Bath and Body Works. I spray them in the evening on my pillow, just so it smells good and refreshing and you have a good night's sleep afterwards. And then I have my other little facial moisturizers, my concealers, a little bit of makeup, and my little accessories. And then I have this box. This is a vintage, I think this is what you call a vintage Chinese jewelry box. So I actually got this from a friend of mine, June. And I got this when I was still single, like many years ago. He's given this to me as a birthday gift. This one I still kept. It's a gift from my friend. It's a jade bangle. It was given to me to my eldest son when he was newly born, and I think the Chinese give this as good luck. I need to refresh my memory. Every time there's a newborn, they like to gift them with a jade bangle. I still keep it until now. So just so you guys know, I've got all the furniture from IKEA. It's the Brimnes series. I don't really know how to pronounce it, whether it's Brimnes or Brimnes, but it is the Brimnes series collection of the bedside table and dressing table, the chest of drawers, and the single pull-out bed. So I really like it because they're just all white. It just made my room look really comfortable and cozy and bright. And I've changed the curtains as well. As you can see, the curtains are now gray. You can see the bed. This can be pulled out and it can be converted into a double bed. So when I have my family or my kids coming back, then we have an extension for them. So I'll take you over to my drawers. Nothing really special. This is also under the Brimnes series collection from IKEA. I just want to let you know, IKEA is not sponsoring or anything. I'm not getting free stuff. I just like buying from IKEA. I think everybody loves to buy from them. They're really nice, they're contemporary, and they're cheap as well. These are artificial plant pots, also from IKEA, but I actually got them from my office. Our company moved offices, so the meeting rooms, they were giving away some of the items. I actually took these plants home, as well as these butterfly frames. I took them home with me as well. And then we have this picture. This is a picture of old Hong Kong, and that was hung on one of the meeting rooms that we have at our office, and I took that with me as well. So this is my workstation, and yeah, basically just a very simple desk. I also have very little stuff. Yes, this is my bedside table. Again, I don't really have anything much here. I only have a few items, my glasses. This holder was a gift of mine from my daughter for Christmas, because she says, oh, my glasses are everywhere, so she bought this for me. And then my little scented candles, which I love. Another gift from my friend for Christmas, and this. And I have this coat calendar that I got from my sister on Mother's Day. It's actually the promises from God's Word. And then I have like the books that I used to have. I've also thrown them away, and I keep the ones that are close to my heart. I love Nicholas Sparks. I only kept two. The Notebook and The Best of Me. And this is my favorite, The Bridges of Madison County. I've seen all the movies of all these three books, but I just like to keep them here, and I sometimes reread them even if I've already read them. So I still keep them here. And then I have this. I got this Bible back when I was still in college, and I still keep them. Just like to keep it here. Just feels protected and just very enlightening when you have that. I got this holy water container a few months ago from my good friend Debbie. I didn't realize that you can actually buy these little containers from a shop, a bookshop at the Catholic Center here in Hong Kong. And you can actually buy these containers and you can go to the church, the chapel, so that they could fill it with holy water for you. I just found out about it a few months ago, so I'm really happy that I got this for you. Thank you, Debbie. Yep, and that's basically it. I have this little photo frame of the collage that you can see. It's still just there. I'm still gonna have some photos printed, and I'd like to just hang it there first. And there you go. So as you can see, the furniture I have here are from the Brimnes series collection from IKEA, and they're just really nice and neat. I had my room measured first before I went to the store, so I wouldn't have to like start measuring again. And I checked online whether the cabinets or the dressing table or the study would fit the room, and I made sure the dimensions are correct before I went to the store and actually order it and have them deliver it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me on my tiny room makeover. I hope you enjoyed witnessing how I transformed my room. It's pretty simple, but I just like it really neat and tidy and bright and chic. So I'm very happy in how it turned out. So that wraps up my tiny room makeover. Thank you again for joining me. If you have any comments on how I should have done my room, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you once again for joining me, and I'll be back soon for another episode of Vlogs Asia by Dawn.